Yeah! 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 Hello, everyone. Apparently, there is a really shiny guardrail coming up. I'm not sure. They've been really hyping this up. Steve, are you excited?
I saw it once, but it'd be nice to see it again.
Julian, is the suspense killing you to see this?
You know, I've never seen the guardrail, and I'm very excited to see this. It's so interesting.
Dude, so am I. This is gonna blow my mind. Kenny, you've seen it, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna point it out.
Is this gonna like blow your mind again?
Yeah, definitely. It shines bright like a diamond.
We might not survive this crash.
we
might be lost footage.
Millions will be dead after we see this. Like 300 car pile up in the.
Well,
see that? Oh God, there's an ambulance behind us.
Just in case, these tailgates.
They're prepared for this.
Well, let's not make it into a VHS.
They must know. It's just like a sign over the rail. If you see it, you crash, and then the ambulance will just come.
Warning, guardrail.
It should be right around this bend.
It's coming up right around this bend, guys. This is gonna be crazy.
Ambulance.
Oh God, Julian is ready. Julian.
Oh God.
Oh God. Oh God.
He's looking. He's on to
Oh God.
He's on to us.
He's just getting in position for he knows the disaster that's about to happen.
And it's coming up on the left now.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
Oh wow.
I'm excited.
Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. I'm ready. It's on the left window just waiting. This is exciting.
Look at it.
What? Not the
Wait, is there more? Look at that guardrail.
Woo-hoo! That shit is shiny.
Okay, let's go. I'm so excited, but
Guardrail looks amazing.
hell, what else can we do?
This is excitement. This is entertainment at its finest.
The highlight of the
You whore! We're
Lock
recording a guardrail here! You have some nerve!
Oh, well, you better hope that this band doesn't block it because
I swear to God, don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Damn it!
No! 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 No!
I guess the end of the
No! Julian's a cheater. Looking up.
So how do you feel when you hit a puzzle but you didn't do anything? Do you feel accomplished inside?
Do you feel like you've earned something?
I feel very accomplished in what I'm doing right now.
Cheater, get pumpkin eater.
I'll someone in the comments.
Whoever doesn't know.
Julian's on a bridge.
Isn't that amazing?
Should we kick him off?
Steve's on a bridge.
Roll him right there.
I'm on a bridge.
Rockefeller, Campanella, Communist.
You can't really see, but
What are you pointing? 6666. That's what you're pointing at.
What? What?
There's two.
That
Never mind.
guy.
4 6s.
What?
Why do people look at? Mind your business.
Oh, look.
Why are you looking at us?
Because they have nothing better to do.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I'm watching Kenny beautifully handle that steering wheel, damn it.
Let's watch together. Let's live this for 10 minutes.
That's right, Kenny. Take control.
Okay, we can cut that.
Julian,
What?
you're worthless.
Useless. You're worthless. Everybody should take it easy. Let's come back today.
Look, Crane dead. Where is he? Spider-Man needs your help.
Well,
Holy shit.
I'm pretty sure everybody remembers that.
I was watching it last night. Kenny and I were both watching it.
That is.
Well, what else would you watch after Mighty Ducks?
Spider-Man, of course.
Wait, that was right after? I thought I put something else between.
Hell, you should have brought Tim.
Well, there were
No,
something else came on, but we didn't actually watch it. It was just,
Oh, it was Airport.
Earthquake! Whoa! Earthquake! Steve, earthquake!
It's funny how you're the one in the movie.
Well, we could have made this more exciting.
Well,
I would not want to be in an earthquake on this bridge.
I know, we'd be done instantly. I'll be jumping out of the car by now.
Did you not see Final Destination 5?
Oh, it's like,
No. No, I don't know.
5, 4, yes, 5.
Good,
I've
because that
all
one was
People watched them after the first one?
Yeah, I've seen all.
I stuck with it until 3.
Loser.
But the first one, the fourth one were crap.
4th one. How old was all that again, the premonition? What was he?
Old person.
What? That's fine.
Old person.
Well, it was like, the first one they playing, the second one was the
Lady.
car collision.
Dude.
The fourth one was what?
Wasn't the fourth one at the race car track?
Oh, yes, it is.
Yeah. The fifth one was the bridge.
Yeah,
I've never seen the fifth one.
The fifth one was the bridge.
The fifth one's a prequel.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. It's the prequel to the prequel
Yeah,
to the
that's
first.
all you have to say, a prequel. People understand.
Well,
It's the prequel trilogy. Final Destination.
Julian got a question wrong in the quiz. Julian, how do you feel?
What's wrong?
You got 3 wrong.
Julian got 3 wrong. How did
I thought you were getting 100.
he has disappointed us?
I will say I'm a little underwhelmed, a little disappointed in their performance today. I hope Julian gets a little bit better as movies go. Yeah, you heard me.
I think someone's gonna get kicked out of the group, and Julian, get the fuck out of the car.
pretty sure we'll see.
Walk.
Get out.
Walk to the Palisades.
Get out. You're done. You're done.
Somebody get
Walk to the Palisades.
Right there already.
Alright, but you have to do that.
The Palisades theme song.
Where's the P's? What?
Why? Yeah, why?
PPP.
Yeah, P's.
Why are there 3 P's actually? I never noticed.
Hey, look.
There's actual spots.
Oh my God, isn't that a shot?
We're not in the.
Oh, we have a parking spot. We did it. We did it. We did it.
Julian, we did it.
Steve. I'm not gonna go along.
Kenny. Let's go.
Vamonos.
He said something.
Pretty sad.
Penny said something. And now we go. So we're here. We're at the Palisades now. Gonna go see Kick-Ass 2. We got gangs all here. Except for Tim. Tim's not invited anymore. Tim won't be able to join us anymore, not since the accident.
And that's all we refer to it as, the accident.
Also, this film's gonna be a little sad. Rip Big Daddy. Great character.
Oh, yeah, I remember that last night. What happened?
You'll find out later, Julian.
When you edit, buddy.
Spoilers. So yeah. Julian, what do you think about Breaking Bad?
What do I think about Breaking Bad? Speechless. It was a great show.
Why are you wearing clothes?
I don't know.
Sorry
The director wants to hire you.
They can't handle camera well. Oh, I'm just
Shots fired.
It's a great show. He's
Hi,
handling
Steve. He is.
By the way,
Breaking Bad's a great show. I mean, we guys just love the show.
You're in frame, Julian. Stop moving the camera.
It's annoying, but it's like...
let me be the interviewer. Cameraman? No, cameraman? How do you think Breaking Bad will end?
I think it will end. That's the biggest question.
I just want to ask.
Of course.
I want an answer. No, come on.
Okay, that's it. He's done. Steve, next question.
Okay.
What do you think?
Well, I really think, hopefully, by seeing the, what they showed in the first episode, they
No
showed...
spoilers, damn it.
Tilt up,
Well, we know, I'm pretty sure they've seen... I'm pretty sure they've seen... How many times am I going to repeat this?
Just say it.
Well, I'm pretty sure you guys seen the last episode in the first...
No, I haven't.
They can give the detailed description of the episode.
What, the last episode, Season 5?
Last episode hasn't been released yet.
I'm talking about the first
Julian, just
part.
say your answer already. We're running out of time.
First episode came out last year.
Yeah, they showed the part with Walter White, right? In the beginning. What I think is gonna happen, Walter White's gonna lose everything and he'll move on.
What?
So we just got back from watching Kick-Ass 2. Julian saw it. He doesn't have an opinion. Steve saw it. He doesn't have an opinion. Kenny saw it. He doesn't have an opinion. The only opinion that matters is
All
mine.
we're gonna say is that we got our review up.
Probably not. We don't review movies
I think
anymore.
We're not gonna do this one.
Yeah, we're not going to do this one because Julian wants to do it. If Julian wants to do it, we don't do it.
I think it's most definite.
Okay, you see, Julian went to my. Julian just went. I don't even call shotgun, you motherfucker. See, Julian went to my no area. That's my personal bubble. I really don't like when people do that. So, Julian, get the fuck out. We're leaving you here.
I am done applying that. I mean, let's
Does anyone else want to hold on?
do my health for next night.
I think we're done here.
I could.
We're not. We're never done.
Okay.
We're never. Kenny, are we ever done?
No.
Is justice ever served?
Is it?
We're gonna be superheroes now. We got the lawnmower, the cannoli, the muffin, and
The goat.
the goat, the ominous goat. Yeah, we're not gonna do that though.